Hello, curious minds, what if we told you the sun isn't yellow? Let's explore 5 popular space myths that need to be retired right now. You've probably heard this one before. The Great Wall of China is the only man-made structure visible from space. Cool, right? Well, not really. From low Earth orbit, where the ISS flies, astronauts can see some human structures. But the wall? Not easily. It's narrow, made of local materials, and it blends in with the landscape. Even astronauts say it's super hard to spot without zoom lenses and perfect lighting. What is easy to see? Cities at night, roads, airports, even greenhouses in the desert. So no, the Great Wall isn't some glowing line you can see from orbit. It's amazing, but not that amazing. And did you know? Chinese astronaut Yang Liwei confirmed he couldn't see the wall either, back in 2003. You've seen it in movies, take off your helmet in space and boom, instant explosion. But guess what? That's total fiction. In reality, you won't explode in space, but it's still not a fun time. Without a suit, there's no air pressure, so your body starts to swell. But not pop. Your skin keeps you together. You'd lose consciousness in about 15 seconds from lack of oxygen. Hold your breath? Even worse. That could rupture your lungs. Technically, you could survive for a minute or two if someone pulls you back in fast, but explode? Nope, Hollywood lied. Did you know? Early space researchers even tested this by safely exposing animals to short periods without pressure. One of them, a dog, actually recovered after about a minute with no lasting harm. Space is often called the final frontier, and a silent one at that. But is it really completely silent? Well, yes and no. Sound needs a medium, like air or water, to travel. And since space is a vacuum, traditional sound can't move around like it does here on Earth, so if you screamed in space, no one would hear you. But here's the twist. Space is full of energy. Stars erupt, planets hum, magnetic fields ripple, all creating waves we can't hear, but we can detect. Scientists use special instruments to capture radio waves and then convert them into eerie, alien-like sounds. It's not sound in the traditional sense, but it's the universe talking, in its own strange language. So yes, space is silent to our ears, but it's not mute. You just have to know how to listen. Did you know? NASA's Voyager and Cassini missions turned space signals into sound, like Saturn's magnetic field singing in radio waves. We've all drawn it this way as kids, big, bright, and yellow. But is the sun actually yellow? Surprise, it's not. The sun is actually white. From space, without Earth's atmosphere messing with the light, astronauts see the sun as a blazing white ball of nuclear fire. Here on Earth, our atmosphere scatters shorter blue and violet wavelengths. What's left looks more yellow to our eyes, especially during sunrise or sunset. So it's not the sun that's yellow, it's our atmosphere playing tricks on us. Did you know? The sun emits all visible colors. When combined, they appear white. That's why sunlight can split into a rainbow. You've probably heard people say there's a dark side of the moon, but spoiler alert, it's a myth. The moon is tidally locked with Earth, which means it always shows us the same face. That other side, the one we never see from Earth, is called the far side. But here's the key, the far side does get sunlight, just like the near side. So it's not always dark. The dark side is really just the hidden side from our view, did you know? The far side of the moon has more craters and mountains than the near side, making it a really interesting place to study. So which of these space myths fooled you, even for a second? Or do you know an even crazier one we didn't mention? Drop it in the comments below, and if you love space, without the sci-fi fluff, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss our next cosmic adventure. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep looking up.